If you desire a uniquely and wonderfully designed home, be sure to visit EXQuisite Interior Design this 20th and 21st July at their wonderful home transformation open house. Because this dream team of 20 experienced and prolific interior designers are ready to give your home an incredible transformation like never before. Come enjoy mind-blowing renovation deals, get more than 50% off selected carpentry and tons of free home appliances, as well as win bonus cash rebates and gifts in their Sure Win Lucky Draw. If you want a delightful and memorable renovation journey, be sure to register for this event now.